good. Yeah. Beat until... Did I do the lemon juice? I almost forgot the lemon juice. Here we go. It said foamy whites.
Foamy? It's foamy. It said foamy.
Hey!
Didn't say to brown the top. It said just to dry the top. Let's see how we're doing. Don't burn your hand, man! Don't burn your hand! Whoa. Okay. The top is dry. You know what? I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna fold it on the plate. That's what we're gonna do. Fold it on the plate. Hi. It's okay. What do you want from me? Oh, it really works. Put some on the plate. Whipped cream! Don't get mad. I have Cool Whip left over from Christmas. That's it. 1909. Orange omelet. Let's eat an orange first. Mmm. Oh, that's good. If you Google orange omelet from 1909, you come up with a bunch of orange omelets from the 1900s. A Boston cookbook. There's another cookbook. Whoa, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, gosh darn it. Let me take a bite and then I'll talk a little bit more. Take some. Here we go. Oh, that's interesting. Ooh. Ooh. Let me try some without the... Ooh. Oh. Wow. Wow. This is unexpected. Without the whipped cream, and it doesn't say sugar-based whipped cream, it just says stiff whipped cream. Wow. Let's try it with some whipped cream. Hey! That was very good! I seriously didn't know what to expect. Eat this. Mmm. I really didn't think I'd like it this much. It tastes more like an egg custard. Huh? It's like you're having a custard omelet. I probably put about a tablespoon and a half of butter. When it said a half a tablespoon, I think I can taste the butter. I think I'm glad I put that extra butter in. I'm really enjoying this. Thank you for joining me this Thursday. Wow. That's really good.